Yeah, dear students, good evening. Told the paper. তাহলে পরে নিয়ে ওই যে তাহলে রাখে কি মনে থাকলে অসুবিধা আছে নো প্রবলেম Okay, dear students, good evening. I just like to say in detail about management. Earlier I discussed about the definition of management. Now, functional point of view, there is, I'm just going through some sentences. That is, the word of management is combination of four terms: man, age, man, T indication, technique. This way the management refers to a technique used by man or telling and managing the persons of different age group to work together for achieving a common objective. Although management is not confined to man only, incorporates a complete balance of man, money, material, machine, methods, person who is in charge of activities of management in an organization is known as the manager. Actually, the components here we mentioned, that's not enough nowadays. Whereas, in addition to that, there is a concept of technology. And technology, not only simple technology, computer-aided technology. Another thing is this, and this technology is nowadays concerned and connected to the virtual communication also. That is, so management is now merely a question, so the traditional concept, basing upon traditional concept, is now in the very specialized and skill format. Management is also concerned to the development of mental world, physical fitness, eye vision, personal and individual temperament. If all these things are fine and okay, then the man can take the right and authentic decision administering his organization. That's the question of management. So, the traditional point of view, management is not applied. All the times, I like to say fifth or even sixth sense, seventh sense, what to say. My concentration, my concepts, maturity must be up to that limit so that anytime, any moment, any development in the worldwide development in China, development in Japan, development in USA, regarding a certain product manufacturing or marketing of a certain product, that I need to be conceptually enriched. So a few days before, Chinese government declared, they went on duties from Bangladeshi product 151 items. Okay, fine. No duty they are imposing, just asking Bangladesh to export this product to their country. But thing is this, the matter is not so easy. Actually they are telling, but they are not telling what is the taste, sense, color, what is the technology they use for such types of manufacturing product, what is the cost, components, raw materials, availability, and the technology, whether skilled workforce are there available here in Bangladesh. They are not telling these things. What do we need? We need a product's design, and that product must be designed in such a manner so that our country will be capable to manufacture that product. So there, okay, no problem. This cell phone, there is a very available demand in the Chinese market. Okay, fine. And the Chinese government is asking us to export this product to their country. But how far we do have that quality and capability, our automation system, our commercial process, our availability of raw material, power and energy, our workforce do have the technical expertise and knowledge to satisfy the ultimate consumers of the Chinese people that are staying in Beijing, Shanghai, Kunming or Guangzhou. That's the problem. So this management has to think multi-variety issues, topics. Management has to think about the not only simply money, raw material, power, energy, these things, but also side by side the technology. Have to think about the marketing, strategic marketing, actual need of the common people of China. And also the liking, disliking of the, agents, brokers, retailers, wholesalers, principals, all these things. So, then I'd like to express another para. Now let's discuss the management is. In the form, where is stress? The answer is management is stress from your home. All of us have been seen our mother taking care of our needs, whether they are small or big, or maintaining the budget of the household, takes decisions regarding the investment or finance, makes plans for our future, keeps a check on our activity, organizes the schedule, guides, motivates us for achieving our career objectives, etc. That's all management. There are the functions of management, that is the planning, controlling, organizing, leading, mind motivating and decision making. Okay, fine. These are the functions of management. Like mother, a manager has to observe all these things very carefully, very clearly, very skillfully, and one after another, right way, right track, whether all functions and activities are carried on. This management must observe and go for solution and rectification accordingly. So management is nowadays developing, not simply concerned with some terms, topics, some functions, works. No, management is by term. As per my own view, that is, it's a question of the overall physio-mental development also. Physio-mental development. There is a question of the brainstorming. There is a question of technology awareness. There is a question of attachment myself with the technology, how far. And all these things are okay, fine. Then all the things are, I cannot be accustomed. I'm a child, but I need to develop myself each and every day because all the things are changing each and every day. Simply my present knowledge is not enough for day after tomorrow. So, mentally we need to be prepared. Yes, we need to think for the day after tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, like this way. Anyway, now there are some difference between leadership and management. Leadership is one thing and management is for the overall performing. Even under a manager, there may be a leader. Or some managers may be with the leadership style, yes, to convince the workforce to lead them towards work in the best way, effectively minimizing costs, controlling wastage, maintaining schedule, and to give the right effort at the same time. They will have the concept to encourage the workforce to perform their all duties very skillfully. Okay. Then now I would like to discuss some components of leadership. That is the follower. Different people require the different styles of leadership. Leader is leader. He should have the convincing quality. He should have the skill and efficiency. He should have the temperament. He should have the quality for the big match temperament, like to say. So leader is leader. Then follower and then leader. They must have the honest and understanding of who are you, what you know, and what you can do, and also not the followers and not the leader who determines if a leader is successful. Anyway, then there is the communication. Communication is skill and efficiency is an organic question. Worldwide communication and connectivity. Leadership should have. Leader should have know, yes, how all the same line organizations are carrying their activities carried on. Yes, they need to know, and how the same line organizations are performing and achieving goals and objectives at the same time. Any problem occur, how they are solving their problems. And they should have a very clean concept of communication. Leader need to maintain his communication with the subordinates, with the different persons with whom he works. At the same time, same line executives. At the same time, leader should have the quality to contact all and immediate with the senior level, senior profile bosses. And communication, in terms of communication, leader must know the tools and techniques and methodology which are used in the communication. He needs to know. He should have a very clean and fine knowledge regarding operating tools, techniques and methodologies and automation of communication. and the situation all are different. What they do in one situation will not always work in another. They must use their judgment to decide the best course of action and the leadership style needed to for each situation. Best course of action leader has to select, and leadership style needed for each situation. Situation may vary, situation may change. Today what I am doing now and as how I am doing and performing my certain duty and responsibility, it may not same way it will be possible from my side to apply, okay? That is the thing, that is the concept for a right and quality leader, futuristic. In this point, an example I can cite, that is the leader may need and confront an employee for inappropriate behavior. But if the confrontation is too late or too early, too harsh or too weak, then the result may prove ineffective. Okay? So, it should be the right decision in the right time in an appropriate manner. There are various forces will affect these factors. Example of forces are the leader's relationship with his seniors, the skill of his people, the informal leaders within the organization, and how the leader company is organized. So leadership must maintain the time sense, technology matching, human sense, crisis management, all these things. He must be well concerned, then accordingly he will be able to solve the multiple problems. And well, it's a time, how many minutes taken already? You just see mention me. Okay, then the new point we like to discuss, that is about the leadership styles. Leader is leader. His personality, his quality, his temperament, his technical know-how, his knowledge, his convincing capacity, all these things may accelerate or may give a greater exposure of a certain leader. Okay, people will like it. Okay, our leader is very nice and he can solve the problem any moment, any time. Why when it's very critical in nature? Why there's some operators there, and there and there, the leader is quite, in terms of latest automation which is installed in the factory. If any problem, then the leader can show the right solution to his operators or his colleagues. Right, the same way they have the manager, if the managers are facing some sort of problem in terms of inauguration of a new branded machine or automation, the leader is quite capable to explain that same way to his colleagues and subordinates. Yes, or the same line people, yeah, this is the automation that we installed for minimizing cost of the factory, and you need to use it in the right way, operate it in the right way. If not so, this automation may start trouble. So, leadership should express himself in the most charismatic manner, and that style, modern leadership style, yes, is the fourth generation style workforce. And if the leader is the third generation based, what is used? No use this. So leader must be one step advanced. Leader's behavior, manner, presentation to a delivery quality, sense of automation, sense of technology, sense of transfer of technology, multiple these things are concerned and connected to the leader. Then, participative leadership. Participative leadership is a nice thing, very nice thing. And this kind of leadership is usually seen in the corporate setting. Leaders act more facilitators rather dictators. Yeah, leadership, participative leadership, yes, all the times he is mixed up with the workers, employees, even junior level executive, or even the same line executives or managers. Yeah. So he need to build up, or he need to create atmosphere in such a manner so that the workforce, other workers, even the senior level personnel, oh, Mr. John is here, he is the right person, right leader, he is a knowledgeable person, he is skilled and efficient enough. So no problem, we are starting this factory, no problem. If any problem occurs and he is the right one, he can give the right solution in the right and the quickest manner. That is the concept of leadership, participative leadership. So, workforce will be very much inclined and interested. Oh, Mr. John is here now. No problem, any problem, no problem. Solution, all sorts of solutions are there. Then the situational leadership. Situational leadership, I'm just telling, reading a few lines. That is the situational leadership, three factors affect the leader's decision. The situation, the capability of the followers, and the capability of the leader. Yeah, three things are there. Situation. If the situation is dull in nature, then the leader needs to understand what is the actual capability of the workforce. If he thinks the workforce are now not that much level skilled and efficient to operate this automation, are concerned with the technology so the leaders need to be well concerned that about. At the same time, sometimes some bogus leaders are there, false leaders are there. These leaders may overshow, but actually they don't know anything about the installed automation. In that point, that will be very much critical and problematic for the organization itself. So the leader adjusts to whatever the limitation is laid out in front of him by his subordinates and the situation itself. Adaptability is key here. These leaders need to be as dynamic as the different situations that they are faced with. A famous example of the leadership style, Dwight Eisenhower. Yeah. Anyway, and he says, as per the Eisenhower, if you want total security, go to prison. There you will fed, clothed, given medical care, and so on. The only thing lacking is freedom. All things fine. You are getting all the things. You are enjoying there. Good food, right dress, right sleeping, no problem. But you don't have freedom. Eisenhower. And then the transactional leadership. And this kind of leadership is a clear chain of command is established. Chain of command is here maintained. Then transformational leadership. Transformational leadership by the motivating by their followers. Leaders appeal to their followers' ideals and morals to motivate them accomplishing their task. Yeah. Moral persuasion is here very important thing is this, to morally pursue. Do this thing very skillfully, no problem, I am here with you. And if you are doing all these things in the right manner, proper using your time, then the company will rise and explode. As a result, you will get all the facilities in the right time, right way. And the image of your company at the same time, your professional image also will be accelerated. The quiet leader. Some leaders are very quiet and sound in nature. They don't force, they don't like to escort, don't like to pressure. Yes, just they express the situation and accordingly they ask their capability to work. And then the servant leadership. Some leaders are there like this, like the political term actually. Yes, servant leadership. I am for the well-being and development of the workforce, nothing otherwise. I am here doing my concentration all towards motivating for the development overall of the institution as a whole. And that is the constant and prime responsibility. Like the George Washington, Gandhi, C.J. Chavez. These are the concepts of, all the time. I have no need, no luxury, no leading extraordinary life leading. Just I am here simply for the betterment and well-being of the institution and for the gorgeous image building of the institution. Anyway, the dear students, I just started see a very important thing, the leadership style, and before this, we discussed the components of leadership and the definition of management. Actually, this is not the definition of management, that was the clean explanation of management. Definition of management given very earlier when he started this paper and topic. Okay, the principles of management. Anyway, thank you very much. Evening ended. We are now marching towards night. So, advance good night and best of luck. Keep yourself safe. Keep yourself inside your home. Take regular exercise, right food, right rest. God bless you.